My attention is caught by something really grand. Something I would love to have it. It's a BlackBerry phone. And my friend has it. And I so want it. Every kid should be having a good cell phone. And I deserve one. But my parents can't afford it. Okay, Sarah tells me that she can log into Facebook using that mobile, and she can call anyone she wants to any time, and there's so many call packages, there's so many SMS packages, and they don't have to wait for anything, and they can call anyone at any time. And I have to wait for the phone to get free at my place. I mean, PTCL. So, every kid should be having a cell phone, though their parents should be telling them that what they should be doing and what they shouldn't be doing. Because sometimes something has advantages that you can adopt, which would help you in your life to communicate easily, to stay in contact in cases of emergency. But sometimes internet has many flaws. By using that same cell phone, you can do something really wrong, something that would be a cause of disrespect to your parents or to your own self. So, everything has positive and negative sides. Every kid should be having a cell phone, not necessarily a BlackBerry, but a cell phone, a good mobile phone, to use it for positive purposes, for something good. But the parents should be keeping a check on them. Thank you.
Thank you, Maheen. Judges, straight to you. What do you think of her performance or her dramatic delivery, or what are your opinions about it?
I think she's fabulous. I think her confidence, spontaneously to come up with something so creative and make it interesting and entertaining at the same time, balanced. I really enjoyed that.
Ji Mehreen, what do you think of the speech?
Yeah, Maheen, it was spontaneous, creative भी था, लेकिन आपके पास सिर्फ 2 मिनट थे. आपने उसको बहुत ज़्यादा extend कर दिया मेरे ख्याल में, जो creative portion था, to the extent where I didn't know where you were going. मुझे ये clear sense नहीं हुआ कि आप किस side पे हैं उस issue पे. But given that you didn't have much time to prepare, it was a good effort.
Faisal, आप क्या कहेंगे?
Too theatrical. I would love to see you more poised, graceful, still strong, but too theatrical. You're not a child. One. PTCL does not. You cannot bring that language to TV.
मुकाबला जारी है. राउंड नंबर 2 है. ये राउंड थोड़ा सा मुश्किल इसलिए है क्योंकि जजेस को इसमें से 2 कंटेस्टेंट्स को चुनना होगा जो हमारे फाइनल 3rd राउंड में जाएंगे, और फिर उनमें से हम एक विनर को चुनेंगे. मुकाबला जारी है. 3rd कंटेस्टेंट को मैं बुलाऊंगी, अलीज़े रिजवी.
Ji Alize, your topic is the generation gap.
If there's one thing that I do believe in very strongly, it is change. Change is something that is constant. It happens. You cannot stop it. With change in everything, change in minds and change in perspective is very, very important. Because you see, everything changes, and if you don't change with it, you suddenly lag behind, and no one wants that. Generation gap is when people don't change, when people are very, very resistant and reluctant to think forward or to adopt new ideas. Generation gap is actually one of the major problems of the youth these days. Being of that category, I do believe that there are some things that I cannot speak to with my elders, because they will think that I'm not thinking right or that my views are not right. And this actually happens. This is true. So generation gap actually is it's basically just another problem that our youth faces, because some of the elders or some of us, the youth, we start thinking very, very forward. It's not completely the elders' fault. It's our fault as well. Sometimes we think way ahead of them, which is not right. I mean, we should know where our boundaries and limitations are. But sometimes our elders and the people older than us, they see things from our perspective, which is very, very important, because we are growing. We're not as experienced as them, of course, and we're not as knowledgeable as them, but we do have a perspective, and I do believe that everyone should see from that perspective as to what we're doing with it and what we're not doing with it. Thank you.
थैंक यू अलीज़े. हमने बहुत सारे टॉपिक्स को कवर किया है. सेल फोन्स होने चाहिए नहीं होने चाहिए, जनरेशन गैप है नहीं, फेवरेट स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन। अभी मुकाबला ख़त्म नहीं हुआ है, मुकाबला जारी है, दूसरा राउंड है। हम लेंगे एक छोटी सी ब्रेक, आप कहीं जाइएगा नहीं क्योंकि जजेस जो हैं वो अपने कमेंट्स देने के लिए बिल्कुल तैयार हैं, हम सुनने के लिए भी तैयार हैं। बट विल टेक अ शॉर्ट ब्रेक एंड विल बी राइट बैक।